let's talk about altcoins. This video will be not about the technical analysis or some charts. I would like to share some thoughts about altcoins in general. I'm not agree with this Arthur Hayes sentence about altcoins. So 99% of altcoins going to zero is a normal cycle. So his statement is like comparison the S&P 500 in 1929. So he pointed out that the 98% of the S&P 500 companies have been eliminated. It's okay during the over the 100 years. It's more than okay. So it's so obvious. I have no idea how the people still listen to Arthur Hayes when he just ship posting all the time, just random things and random stuff during the last 3 years. He go all in one talking after that. No, I sell everything, altcoins to the moon, altcoins to zero. Hey, bro, do you have some realistic vision of the market or not? That's why, guys, don't pay attention for this type of clickbait or marketing headlines in social. Even after the 10 years, for example, or even the 5 years, 99% of altcoins will be just vanished from the market. And we just have 1% still. Here, it's going to be around the 500,000 tickers, 500,000 coins, because you can take a look, even only on the coin market cap, total number of the cryptos tracked, 50 million at this current time. So I think it would be good even if it's just a 1K or I don't know, 20K, let's say 20K tickers will be on the market. It will be more than enough to trade. That's why don't worry about some major altcoins. Some of them here to stay. Some of them will be erased, delisted, and vanished just out of the market. If you want belief, some of them, even from top 10, will be erased from the market. Take a look at this historical snapshots. Just 10 years ago, May 8, 2016, top 10. Can you find the Digix DAO, DGD token? Where this token now? Still listed or it's just out? Just out of the chart of the all markets. This coin, I guess, not even listed. Yes, not even listed. So it's kind of weird, right? All right, next one. The Dogecoin still here. Made Safe coin. Did you hear something about this coin? Same story. It's just out of any markets. So it's kind of weird, right? And it was something special. Some vision, some roadmap, I don't know, some utility maybe for that time. And it's just 10 years. It's not a big term. Now, Sam, I guess this one is still tradable. Yes. But take a look. Where this coin trade? This coin traded on the Bybit. Even on the Bybit, yes, the Gate.io. So pretty good one. Pretty good one. But take a look. From top 10. From top 10, guys, imagine. Now it's in 1K 194. Earcoin, the same story. BitShares, Hyperspace, Factom, Fedora Coin, MR Coin, UB Coin, NXT, Namecoin, Feathercoin, Agora Stock and Revolution, the Air. All of that coins, was something special in 2016. The same story now. The people who say, no, it's impossible to see that, for example, the Cardano out of top, it's already out of top 10. It's out of top 20. It's impossible. It's unreal. Or, it's impossible to see the, let's say, the Sol, I guess. Oh, no. It's impossible to see the Solana out of top 10. Why? Why it's impossible? just because you invested in this token and waited to the moon because of some utility, because of some roadmap, because the devs show some stuff in their Twitter and treat the people like, oh, take a look at our project is so special. Bring the money here. Every single altcoin just a basic startup, and it's just for speculation, nothing more. Even the BTC is just speculative asset because the crypto, it's a high risky asset. But anyway, all of these altcoins here to stay, even if we raise the 99% of the altcoins in the next 10 years, like Arthur Hayes claimed, right? So don't worry about altcoins. Nobody want to rip the industry in general. This industry give the billions to the market makers, to the centralized exchanges, to the Trump family or other families, right? And why? Why they have to, even with the clarity law or even with the regulation, it's here to stay because it's a money printing sector from the air. So imagine. That's why some of the project will perform better, some of them less. Plus, even if 99% coins will be erased, every single day, every single week, the crypto exchanges list the brand new altcoin. I'm not talking about meme coins. They list just a brand new altcoin with a drop system, with new utilities or something. Who could even imagine that 2 years ago? So the hyper-liquid, no-name DEX platform will be in the top 10. Nobody. And it's not a ship. It's not a Shiba Inu, right? Where's the ship? Ship in 28. Ship was in top 10, I guess. So some project here to stay. Some will be raised. That's why don't fall in love in some altcoin. Just go and double check the historical snapshot to reset your mind, because your coin maybe will be next out of the top 100. And nobody gonna trade this token. Take a look this comparison here. First of all, here in 2021, less than 500,000 projects were listed on the Gecko terminal. However, by 2025, just in the 4 years, that number had ballooned to nearly 20 million. 500,000, 20 million projects. So it's a lot. And cryptocurrencies, 53.2% have died since 2021. And compare the numbers. How many projects listed, how many that dying. And if you've been here in 2021, you remember it was a pretty early stage, even if the altcoins pump it. But it was much better to trade. That's why, even once again, I repeat, even if we erase 99% of altcoins, I will be more than happy. But unfortunately for us, it will never happen because there's always the brand new altcoins appear in the market. That's why I think we need regulation. Take a look, the altcoins here to stay because even the real world asset sector. So this is the numbers. Highly recommend it. If you want to know everything about a real world asset sector, just go into this RWA XYZ website and double check everything about real world asset coins. Here the content network. Maybe the content network not so special the buy price. Maybe not to the moon, right? Skyrocket now. But it's here to say because the people use it. People use the utility of that coin. Not even just some ticker. They not trade just a ticker. That's why I highly recommend you, if you're interested in a real world asset sector, I'll recommend you just go double check. Here I shared with you the one centrifuge. Before the Binance listing, I posted the 3 or 2 videos about the centrifuge. Nobody cared about this one, but it's still early. And I'll let you read the chart. So this was a calculation. So 500,000 coins, guys, is more than enough. Centrifuge, this one, crypto. Here. It's not a financial advice, but this is example. Some no-name projects like a Hyperliquid before can be the top gainers and can be the top players in the next 10 years, in the next 2 years even. So choose wisely. Don't be fooled, with these fancy stories, even with like Celestia. I'm not blame the Celestia, So just a basic speculative coin, nothing special. I would like to show to the Celestia here. Fundraising rounds. I always recommend you just go and double check the fundraising rounds. So Series B round, now it's at 38 cents, was $1. When we traded at $20, I mark it. It's time to out, people. Don't listen because we go into the moon because it's a next Solana killer. Solana killer should be the Ethereum killer after that, and another killer, and all of them just dying year after year. And take a look, the Series A round, I mentioned that some early investors in the Series A round received their allocation of the Celestia in 2022 at 9 cents. They're still in profit 300. Do you think they care about the utility or fundamental of the Celestia? No, they care about the money, and they made a lot of money. And the seed round in 2021 was like 1 cent. Is it possible to see the Celestia after the years at the 1 cent? Yes, of course. So by end of this video, guys, I would like to show you when you fall in love some project just because of utility and all of this fancy fundamental, take a look at the GoPro. This is a GoPro chart. You know what is GoPro, right? So this is action camera. It was just a top of the top in that industry. Everybody used the GoPro, right? The Red Bull and all extreme sport, use the GoPro. Under the water, on the sky, whatever, right? On the bicycles, everybody use it. And what's happened? What's happened with this one? And now the GoPro faces the NASDAQ delisting of the share price. They released the physical product, what people use worldwide, right? But who could even imagine? So in 10 years, from the hype, they're just going down to zero and can be delisted and go into bankruptcy. That's why, guys, even if the GoPro can trade like this one, what you can expect from the fancy altcoins without a physical utility, use case, whatever. So, guys, don't fall in love in altcoins. Don't believe in the fundamental. Don't believe in these stupid headlines. Just filter your feed every single time. Just turn on your critical mind, right? And just trade. Just trade it, because every single altcoin just for speculation. At the end, the main goal is USD. If you're the fan of the BTC, you can accumulate a BTC for it. If you're the fan of Ethereum, accumulate Ethereum. Guys, write us in the comments. What do you think about altcoins? Are they here to stay, or the regulation gonna kill the industry and all of them will be delisted and altcoins it's a scam? See you next time.